Welcome to NEPOS How to Video. How to add and manage employees in NEPOS portal. To add an employee, click on Employees tab. Here you can see list of the employees, their name, phone number, branch they are working on, the type of the employee, and status of the employee. Also, you can see if this employee is using a point of sale machine or not. To add, just simply click Add an employee. Fill in all the details. If you allow this employee to edit the price, just select yes or keep it no if you don't allow. Thank you for watching.